I'm seeing big breakthroughs in confidence, love, and career are heading your way. Beautiful Leos. I am seeing moments where your natural charisma shines, but also subtle challenges testing your patience and focus. We know life is full of challenges as well as some miracles, okay? So stick with me till the end because I'll share a simple ritual to amplify your power while keeping your heart open. Okay, Leos, this month the universe wants you to shine wisely. Let's get started with the reading. So, October feels like stepping into a stage, and golden sunlight is what I'm seeing with the sun card, and it's so beautiful, so radiant. I can see a lot of opportunities coming, maybe in work, maybe in job, maybe in business, maybe in relationship, new clients, self expression. Just amazing card, the sun card. And we have the strength card. And it is telling you that you have a power. And that is very gentle and it is unshakable. Okay, Leos. And we also have Seven of Cups. But the good news is that it is in reverse. So I can say that yes, you were confused before, but now the clarity is coming. Your options and illusions are finally falling into perspective. So expect a month where your heart leads, but your mind filters, giving you confidence to make decisions that feel aligned. Let's talk about love and relationships. Love energy is fiery and magnetic. Couples may find a surge of warmth and joy, perhaps resolving the misunderstandings. Singles, someone may appear who feels larger than life yet grounded, the kind of connection that excites your heart while aligning with your values. Okay. So, Leos, what are the little actions you should take for your love life in the month of October? Express genuine appreciation to the people. Okay. And clarify your heart's true desires before committing to a new direction. That's very important here. And please avoid idealizing love. Focus on authenticity over fantasy. This is very important for you. Let's talk about career and ambition, Leos. I can see some of you getting recognized. Some of you are getting promotion. You are getting in the eyes of management. I can see people know that your visibility at your workplace. Okay, people know what talents you have. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And you have this strength that you can lead with patience and diplomacy. Okay, and you will finally be getting clarity in your projects. You will finally know which one deserve focus. I know you were confused in the past. Okay, so what are the little actions that you should take, Leos, for your career? So prioritize 1 to 2 key projects rather than scattering your energies. Don't take too much of responsibilities. Okay, and show leadership by mentoring or helping a coworker. That will help you. People will see you. Oh, he is such a kind person, he is so helpful. Okay, and keep a success journal. That is very very important. Document your wins and lessons daily. Okay, so Leos, let's talk about your money and finances. I can see your finances are illuminated, but they also require some grounded action because we have this Seven of Cups reverse and it is telling me that it is cutting the illusions that you had in the past. Perhaps like letting go of risky ventures or unclear offers. Good job. You should do that, right? You should not invest in the risky ventures or you should not accept the unclear offers. Okay. So, what are the little actions that you should do, Leos, for the money and finances this month? Review your budget and cut expenses that feel unnecessary. Consider the long term investments rather than short term temptations. And keep celebrating the small wins. Even a small saving is a success this month. So, yes, save, and invest, but wisely. Let's talk about health and well being, Leos. So, physical energy is strong this month, but your heart chakra and stress level needs attention. I can see with the sun card, energy is really very vibrant. But again, there is a need to keep things in balance and to have proper rest. What are the actions that you should take for keeping your health and well being this month? Morning sunlight exposure for 10 minutes because it is going to boost your mood. Okay. Include gentle strength training or core exercises. It will really help you out. And practice the meditation. Now, it can be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever suits your schedule. Okay. From the spiritual side, I am saying that there is a there is a fight between clarity versus ego illusions. Okay. I believe that you should understand, you should remind yourself that what strengths you have. Okay. And the strength comes from the inner power. And the inner power comes from the self awareness, not the external validation. Yes, I'm seeing some of you are getting the recognition, appreciation, all of it. But just don't depend on the external validation. Because, the strength that we are seeking in this world, the inner power, okay, it comes from self awareness, not the external validation. Okay, Leo, so this is a general reading, so take only what resonates and leave the rest. Just a reminder. So, yes, let's talk about the beautiful ritual that you should do this particular month. And I name it as a golden sun ritual because we have the beautiful sun card in your reading. So, light a yellow or orange candle, hold a small citrine crystal, and visualize the sunlight filling your chest. How beautiful! Just imagine and do it, please. And say aloud, I shine with clarity, courage, and joy. Spend 2 to 3 minutes focusing on warmth and confidence. I did this in the month of January 2025. Now let's quickly talk about the signs that you should watch for in the month of October, Leos. You will see the repeated number triple one, and we all know triple one indicates the new beginnings. Okay, I am also saying that some of you may start doing Surya Namaskar, or you will feel like, okay, now I should start doing it, and you should do it. And you will also see flashes of gold or yellow, and you can see somebody in your family or extended family members or relatives or friends are buying gold or investing in the gold in any form. Okay. What are the lucky colors? Gold and yellow. Lucky day is the Sunday. Gemstones citrine for this particular month and angel number triple one. The information as per your reading, what I'm getting currently is I shine with clarity, courage, and authenticity every day. How beautiful. I mean, you have the sun card in this particular month reading. Wow. So, yes, we can say, Leos, that October is your month to shine. Clarity is going to replace the confusion you had in the past. Love is coming here. Courage. You should take the courageous steps now. It's the time, Leos. And yes, watch for triple one. Watch for the gold jewelry or the gold flashes. Okay. And comment what resonates the most. And like, share, subscribe if you like this reading. See you in the next video. Bye for now.